बोलिए श्री आदि शक्ति नौ दुर्गा माता की. Tonight, my dear devotees, I take this special opportunity in welcoming each and everyone to this, the third night of 5 nights courses of Bhakti Gyan Yajna, hosted by the Kailashpati Mandir. I also take the privilege in recognizing our Pujari Pandit Gaya, Pandit Brian, and also there are temples of the surroundings. Narayan Madhuban Mandir, I think Vishwanath Mandir is also here. So tonight, indeed, my dear devotees, as we all supplicate our thoughts at the feet of the Devi tonight, seeking grace and blessing of Devi Mata. As we supplicate our mind, our body, our thoughts to the nature of the Divine Devi. As we surrender our heart unto her, as we visualize the most divine form of Devi Mata. For us, indeed, she has taken many forms and manifestations. Whether it be in the name of Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati, Kali Mata, whichever one that pleases one's heart or mind. That we fall to her feet this night, just as a child will go to a mother. माँ और शरणागति है that I fall to your humble feet, seeking your grace and your blessings. You are seen seated as Singhavahini, seated upon that lion. लाल वस्त्र के पहनने वाले और अष्टभुजा के धारण. We see that Devi of resplendence in the most beautiful form of 8 arms that she protects herself. The divine Devi indeed who wears the red sari और मुकुट से ऊपर the golden crown upon her head. अस्त्र शस्त्र धारण के रक्षा है और शत्रु नाशक है. The divine Devi who holds weapons of mass protection and mass destruction. The divine Devi, we chant mantra hai ucharan lage Om Dum Durgaye Namaha. Surrendering our hearts to her, we chant her Maha Mantra Om Dum Durgaye Namaha. Devi, you are the creatrix of this world, you are the sustainer of this world. It is by your divine energy that we call Shakti. It is by your energy we refer to you as Ma. Ma Durga, Ma Kali, Ma Saraswati, Ma Lakshmi. It is through your energies we experience transformation in our own lives, in our homes, and in our family. Bless us this night to open our senses and our mind to accept your divine nectaria-like katha, that tonight indeed we glorify you, O Ma. Om Dum Durgaye Namaha. Gajananam bhutaganaadisevitam Kapita Jambhu Palachar Bhajanam Uma Sutam Shoka Vinashakaranam Namami Viganeshwara Parapankajam. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। कर्पूर गौरम करुणावतारम संसार सारम भुजगेन्द्रहारम सरावसंतं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। ज्ञानामपि चेतांसि भगवती सहा महामाया महामोह महामाया प्रयच्छति। सर्वमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। शरणागत दीनार्ताय परित्राणापरायणे सर्वस्यार्थे हरे देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। देवी सुमिरन गौरी शंभु गिरा गुरु गोविंद गणपति ओ सुमिरे व्यासा भास करत देवी कथा प्रसंग वासुदेह मति मति विषया स्थिति जो जग मति नालिकत रूप को मति प्रेरक सुखना सकल निगम उत्तम सुमिरी श्रीलेखा जगवंद ओ माता भवानी के चरणों में नमो नमः सुख कंद। करुण चंद्र सिर दयामया करे अंकुश अरूपा मंदहास युक्त भक्त के काटत सब दुख त्रास। श्री शंकर आचार्य माता पिता सिर नाय ओ देवी भागवत ग्रंथ की भाषा लिखत बनाए। श्री गुरु चरण सरोदर जा निज मन मुकुद सुधार वरनो रघुबर विमल यश जोदायक पदचार। बोधहीन तनु जान के सुमीरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार। माता भवानी के चरणों में जय जगदम्बे माँ हाथ जोड़ स्तुति करूं बारंबार बखान सिया पति रामचंद्र जी की जय शरणम। ओ जय जगदम्बे माँ दुर्गा 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 प्रेम से बोले श्री आदि शक्ति दुर्गा माता की. My dear devotees, again tonight I take the honored opportunity in welcoming each and everyone. Tonight my discourse indeed taken from very simple katha of Devi Bhagavatam. और संकट के नाशन है. That indeed whenever trouble strikes us, what do we do? When problems come to us, what do we do? Do we run helter-skelter looking for shelter? Do we run by this one or that one? Bhaiya, there is one thing we have to stop doing. We have to buckle down in our prayer. And it shows us in Katha that indeed when you have trouble, which we all will have, from time to time, get yourself into prayer. But we might say, but Baba, I just pray already. No, Bhaiya. If you just pray already and your trouble meets you, you have to double it up, you have to triple it up. You have to do more. Always remember, is more better? In prayer, more will always be better. But we tell ourselves, like God really tested me. And any of you here can tell yourself, I have never had a test. Then it's not true. Every one of you, including myself, we all are tested by the divine. Whether somewhere, somehow in your life, as you move up the scale in life or the level in life, Bhaiya, you are tested. You are tested to see if you are strong enough. You are tested to see if you are courageous enough. You are tested to see if you are brilliant enough. And sometimes when we are tested, what do we do? It breaks us. It breaks our faith. It breaks our mind. Sometimes you lose hope and we say, you know what? I pray every day and like nothing is working out for me. I see more trouble praying. And many people have come to me and tell me this. I see trouble and I pray and I still see trouble, so let me stop praying. But when you stop praying, what you embrace now? That's what you have to ask. If you stop praying, what are you embracing? Now you will start to embrace the wrong things. So somebody could pull you one side and say, let me take a walk by the shop now. And that is what you start embracing. Little by little, the negative forces of life. I am not here to change anybody's lifestyle, Bhaiya. Please understand. But I am here to awaken your lifestyle. I am here to awaken you to the point that we realize to ourselves, awakening of yourself may not happen in one day. It might take janam or janam se. It might take birth after birth. You may look at someone else and see their prosperity and say, but how come they are not praying? And everything working out for them. And I am the one who working and nothing working out for me. You ever question yourself? Have you ever asked how much they had put in their last life and they now reap any fruits of it? You may not know of this. Dhyayeham parameshwari dashabhujam Netram trayoda bhushitam Sadya sankata tarinim Gunamai mara raktavaranam shubham Aksha shashram jala purnam kumbham Kamala shankam gadam vibratim Trishulam damarusha khargavi Dhritam chakra bhayadyam param Om Dum Durgaye Namaha. Raja Janmejai, my dear devotees, is having conversation with this great sage by the name of Narad Muni. And indeed, Narad Muni, my dear devotees, is explaining unto him. He says of this divine Devi, Sankata Tarini, that one who takes us away from our pains and our trouble. That Devi indeed, Trinetram Bhushitam, who is depicted with 3 eyes, holding various weapons in the hand. O Jagatmai Sarvagya Sukadayakaha, that Devi who brings happiness to your home, happiness to your life. So indeed, Narad Muni explains to Raja Janmejai. O Durge, Durge, Durge Jai Jai Ma. Durge, Durge, Durge Jai Jai Ma. O Durge, Durge, Durge Jai Jai Ma. Iti tasya vachaha sritva jagat pyate pravitaha sankatanashanam sutraha shinu devi ravisukaputtamam dvapare tu pura prite Brishtarajam Yudhishthira Bhratribhi Sahito Raja Nirvedam Paramangata Durge to Raja Janmejai, he says, O Raja, there was a king by the name of Yudhishthir. Do you know who is Yudhishthir? Yudhishthir was one of the Pandavas. Arjuna, Bhim, Nakul, Sahadev. So Yudhishthir, my dear devotees, you know, if you understand Mahabharata, it will tell you one of the quality they had is they had to gamble. And you always remember, whenever you gamble, do you win or do you lose? Come here, don't tell me all you never try. Do you win or do you lose? You know what you say? We win sometime, Baba. Bhaiya, it is lose all the time. You don't check how much you lose. You just only think about how much you're going to win. Right now the lotto is going to how much? 5 million, eh? Take a try na bhai. Many years ago when I was going to New York to do puja, I was going in a Ramayana. And while going in the Ramayana, we stop off to put gas. So the gentleman tell me, he say, Baba, he say, it have a lotto for 5 million, what do you think? He said, I sure you're a lucky man. I said, not so lucky, bhai. He buy about 5 tickets. He said, put it in the Ramayana. He said, I sure you go win it. Win what, bhai? If it is your luck to win your go, you will win. He buy the 5 ticket and make me put in the Ramain. And when we even win a penny, or a dime, or a dollar. One thing I always is I do not believe in that because I don't have luck in it. I know people who have luck in it. I am not encouraging it. But indeed, Yudhishthir was one of the individuals who lost everything due to gambling. And when he gambled and he had an addiction to this, he could not stop. And while gambling and gambling, my dear devotees, he gambled away everything until he lost his own home. And when he lost his home, my dear devotees, now he started to wonder. He started to roam from place to place, seeking advice, seeking help. What could I do? And my dear devotees, he met with Narad Muni. And his exploits, and Naraji told to him, he says, Markandeya Uratse Kyatam. He says, find an individual by the name of Markandeya. Markandeya will give you the advice. Sometimes we are in a predicament of life and we want somebody to assist us. We might go by 1 or 2 or 3 persons until you reach the right place. Who does send you in the right place? When the divinity puts touch to your life, Bhaya, sometimes it will send you in the right places. When the time is right. So indeed, he started to look for who is this Markandeya. Tam se drishtavase sahasamutyanam pranitatyam se supujitam kamartha se malyam se vadanam metat tum mam se videtam. Markandeya, my dear devotees, he sought out the advice of Markandeya and he looked for this individual called Markandeya. Markandeya was a young individual, very highly spiritual, very, very highly spiritual. Markandeya, my dear devotees, when Raja Yudhishthir had nothing, and having nothing, owning nothing, he went as a pauper and he started to beg. And when he started to beg to Markandeya, Markandeya told to him, he says, what troubles do you have that brought you by me? For indeed it is only, and this is why sometimes, Bhaya, I know some of my godchildren so good. From the time they pick up the phone and they call, Baba Sitaram, I say, what is the problem? Because I don't know. For the whole year you are looking for Baba. And that is one thing, as Hindus, we fail to recognize. Keep in touch with your Guru. Keep in touch with your Pandit. Your Pandit is not only there for problem seeking or problem helping, but in the time of good times, he is there with you. In bad times, he will be there for you. And my dear devotees, when Markandeya, indeed, he heard of the issues that Yudhishthir was relating to him, that how he had lost his way. And losing his way and losing himself to his own addiction. There are many people addicted out there, not necessarily to gambling. There are some who might be addicted to substance abuse. There are some who might be addicted to alcohol abuse. There are some who might be addicted to money abuse. But somewhere along the line, last night I told you this, that addiction can turn from a temptation to greed, and that greed can turn into anger. Is it that we have to fall to that level, my dear devotees? I can always remember our foreparents growing us up telling us, eat little and live long. Today I feel that they throw out that saying through the window. Because it shows us a state of contentment and how to be contented with who we are and what do we have. You have little, you eat. You make do with what you have. So Markandeya, my dear devotees, indeed, Ananda Kanena Devi Sankata Nama Vibruyata Mireshwarutare Bhageya Purvam Chandreshwarasya Cha. Markandeya told to him, he says, whenever you are in trouble and you want the advice, he says, my advice to you, seeing what is your situation, I would recommend you, go to the Devi and pray to her. Go to the Devi wholeheartedly and pray to her. My dear devotees, one thing I have learned, you see, Ma, she don't turn you down, you know. You could be a good child. You could be a not so good child. She will never turn you down. Sometimes you see how your mother on the TV, the child was in the village, everybody know he has been a real bad child. But in the heart of the mother, she will still say what? What she will say? That is my son. I can't throw him away. And she does say that. She says, that is my son, I can't throw him away. But to the villagers, he was a rogue element. So my dear devotees, Markandeya told Raja Yudhishthira, he says, you want assistance, you want help, go to the Devi. Srenu namashtakam tasyam sarva siddhikaram nirman. He says, go to her, sarva siddhikaram. Whatever is your desire, the Devi will always grant unto you. Now I want you, do not leave tonight and think, well, Baba said about Shivji, and tonight he reads about Devi. Any Devta you go to, Bhaya, and you are sincere in your prayer, they will always grant you that blessing. You go to Hanuman, you go to Bhagwan Shiv, you go to Devi Mata, whoever pleases your heart, and you go with sincere prayer, they will please you. They will please you. And my dear devotees, indeed, the recommendations were made to him to go to the Divine Devi. सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते दुर्गे दुर्गत परिहारिणी जय जय दुर्गे दुर्गत परिहारिणी जय जय शंभु विदारिणी माता भवानी शंभु विदारिणी माता भवानी दुर्गे दुर्गत परिहारिणी. The word harini, he means to take away, to remove. Is either she remove the trouble from you or she remove you from the trouble. 132 Bhaya. Durge Durgat Parharini Jai Jai Durge 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 Durgat Parharini Jai Jai Durge Durgat Parharini Jai Jai Durge Durgat Parharini Jai Jai. Adi Shakti Para Brahma Swarupini Jag Janani Chahu Vera Bakhani Adi Shakti Para Brahma Swarupini Jag Janani Chahu Vera Bakhani Brahma Shiva Hari Arachana Kino Brahma Shiva Hari असुर नर मुनि ज्ञानी दुर्गे दुर्गत परिहारिणी जय जय दुर्गे दुर्गत परिहारिणी जय जय शंभु विदारिणी माता भवानी शंभु विदारिणी अष्टभुजा कर खरग विराजे सिंह सवार सकल वरदायिनी अष्टभुजा कर खरग विराजे सिंह सवार सकल वरदायिनी ब्रह्मानंद शरण में आयो ब्रह्मानंद शरण में आयो भवनाशक कर महारानी दुर्गे दुर्गत परिहारिणी जय जय दुर्गे दुर्गत परिहारिणी दुर्गे ओ दुर्गे 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 दुर्गत परिहारिणी जय जय 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 शंभु विदारिणी माता भवानी शंभु विदारिणी माता. My dear devotees, the recommendation was to go to the Devi. और संकटा प्रथमम नामम द्वितीयम विजया तथा तृतीयम कामदम प्रोक्तम चतुर्थ दुःखहारिणी शर्वाणी पंचमम नामम षष्ठम कात्यायनी तथा सप्तमम भीमनयनम सर्वरोगहराष्टमम नामाष्टमम इदं पुण्यम त्रिसंध्याये श्रद्धवन्विता यह पठेत पाठेत वापि नरो मुच्यते संकटात् ए युक्तवा तु से द्विजसृष्टः मुनिर्वाणं वरायसी यही. बोले स्यात् शक्ति नौ दुर्गा माता की. My dear devotees, he recommended to him, he says, sit down and chant the various names of the Devi. And by chanting the names of the Devi, first name Sankata, Dvitiya Vijaya, Kamada, Dukhaharini, Sharvani, Katyayani, Bhimanayana, Sarvarogahara. And by so doing, you must do this 3 sandhyam. You must do it 3 times per day. How much of you are going to make that sacrifice today? The first thing you do is ask, Baba. Where is Aksi Baba? How much days to fast? Very first thing we ask. But then we want the Devi to bless us. And we say, Baba, I can't make that, Hear what Markandeya is telling to him. He says you have to sit down and perform her devotion 3 times per day, morning, midday and in the afternoon. How? You must do this? Shraddhavanvitaha. You must have faith in what you do. So lighten 9 lights for the Devi and you perform her puja and you don't have faith in the Devi, I bet you light 1. I am telling you. You light 9 lights. What does the 9 lights mean? What does it represent? How much points of entry you have in your body? Garuda Puran tells you have 9 gateways in this body. What are you energizing? You are energizing your 9 gateways. The eyes, nostrils, ears, mouth. How much is that? Come devotees. Eyes, ears, how much you reach? How much you reach devotees? 4. Nostril, how much again? 6. Mouth, 7. And the next 2 under the navel, the private region and the anus. there's a 10th gateway in this body that it tells you according to sadhana. It says the 10 gateway says sir upar hai, at the highest point of the head is considered to be the 10th gateway. And my dear devotees, he tells to him, O Shraddhavanvitaha, sit down with faith in mind and perform the devotion of the Devi. O Drija Shrishtaha, Muni Varanasyam Yayo, and inviting the Dvijaha, the Brahmana, to your home or to that area, that place, and sit down and perform the pujan of the Devi. And performing that pujan of the Devi, my dear devotees, Katha tells us, O Amba Bhavani Jagadamba Bhavani, Narado Arashanir Vira Tatha Sampujyatam Devi Vireshwara Samana Vita Amba Bhavani Jagadamba Bhavani Amba Bhavani Jagadamba Bhavani Amba Bhavani Tere Jai Durga Bhavani Tere Jai Jai Ma, Kali Bhavani Tere Jai Jai Ma, Amba Bhavani Jagadamba Bhavani, Amba Bhavani Jagadamba Bhavani, Amba Bhavani Jagadamba. Bole Jagdamba Mata ki. Have you ever heard somebody say they're afraid to worship Mother Durga? I'm sure you might have heard that. They say, Baba, I'm afraid to worship Mother Durga. And commonly, we will also hear, Baba, I'm afraid to worship Mother Kali. I saw someone once upon a time came to my mandir. And in my mandir, there's a Mother Kali Murti as well. They went and they bowed by all the devatas and they leave she out. So I called them and said, come. Why you leave out Mother Kali for? They say, Baba, we afraid she. And because we afraid her, we didn't bow to her. I said, but it's a good time to learn about her. If you don't know, it is a good time to know, to learn, to understand. And I always say, Bhaiya, if you have a mother, the mother has all these qualities. She has the quality of Saraswati, she will teach you. She has the power of Lakshmi, she will bless you with wealth. When you are sick, who is the first one who will attend to you? Is your mother. Your mother is the first one who might pick you up and give you all sorts of things to drink. And see, that's the same mother who will come with a little bit of alkalado, bhaya and oil and sap your head. True or not? And that's the same mother when she becomes old, we put she in a old age home. It sounds familiar today? That's the same mother who took care of you. And that's the same mother who will discipline you from doing the wrong things in the form of Mahakali. She will stand with you. So my dear devotees, but in the worship of the Devi, why he told to him Shraddhavanvitaha, to have faith, because you have to discipline your mind. You have to discipline your mind. You have to discipline oneself to perform the worship of the Devi. Tata sampujam tam Devi bhireshwar samanvitaha. And disciplining oneself in the name of Devi Mata, indeed, he created a beautiful image of the Devi. And he made this divine image of the Devi. And he would now sit down and he would worship Devi Mata 3 times per day. 3 times per day. We find it even difficult to worship the Devata even 1 time for the day. Because we say what? Baba, I am too busy. But when the blessing comes to us in abundance, we don't say you're too busy. And my dear devotees, indeed, worship of the Devi, he started to pay homage to her. And in paying homage to her, he begged that Divine Mata, he says, Mata, I have nothing. Have you ever reached in a point of your life, my dear devotees, that you have nothing to give, to offer? Sometimes you hear people say, well, you have to give this amount of money, you have to give this. And sometimes you question, but Baba, I don't have that. What do I do? If you don't have it, would the Devi forget you? This is why Bhagwan in Bhagavad Gita made it so clear to us that the worship of the Lord is not about how much money you have. The worship of the Lord is how much faith you have. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhakta prayachati taraham bhaktu ma pritmasyami pretatmanam. He says, all you have patram, you have to get at least a leaf. You don't have a leaf, patram, pushpam, all you could do is use a flower. Patram, pushpam, phalam. Or if you have a fruit and you want to offer it, he says, offer unto me with exclusive devotion and I will accept it. It's sad, my dear devotees, that as Hindus everything is a money, everything is a factor of money, and nothing is about the love of doing it. I sometimes wonder how my brother Hindus and sisters make out when you go to the puja store. I agree everybody have to survive. I agree everybody have to live. But don't do it by climbing the backs of a next man. If you could help somebody, help them. If you can assist somebody, assist them. Raja Yudhishthira had nothing. What he would do? He was a king, but he had nothing to give in the name of the Devi. ओ दिया नहीं, पाठ नहीं, धूप अगरबत्ती नहीं, फूल नहीं, माला नहीं, ओ पूजा विधि हाथी नहीं, पूजा विधि हाथी नहीं, दिया नहीं, पाठ नहीं, दिया नहीं, पाठ नहीं, धूप अगरबत्ती नहीं, फूल नहीं, माला नहीं, पूजा विधि हाथी नहीं, पूजा विधि हाथी नहीं, ओ जगदम्बे काली जगदम्बे माँ,
जगदम्बे काली जगदम्बे माँ,
ओ जगदम्बे काली जगदम्बे माँ,
जगदम्बे काली जगदम्बे माँ,
ओ जगदम्बे 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 मोती जो चलो माला पहना दे। ओ नारियल चढ़ा के लाल चुनरी ओढ़ाते, नारियल चढ़ा के लाल चुनरी ओढ़ाते, तेरे दर पर लोग ढोल जाते बजाते। आश मेरे कुछ भी नहीं, धन दौलत माल नहीं, सजे हुए तारीफ नहीं, पूजा देवी आती नहीं, पूजा
आती नहीं।
ओ जगदम्बे काली जगदम्बे माँ,
जगदम्बे काली जगदम्बे माँ।
ओ जगदम्बे 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 माँ,
जगदम्बे 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 माँ।
माँ ओ माँ,
माँ ओ माँ, माँ ओ माँ।
सुर चाल नहीं लोग तेरे महिमा अपार के, तेरे भक्ति करके मन तेरा रसाके। तेरे दर पे दुख सारे माता चर पाके, तेरे दर पे दुख सारे माता चर पाके, रोते रोते लोग योग हंसते हंसते जाते, रोते रोते आते लोग हंसते हंसते जाते। गल में मधुर नहीं, सुर और ताल नहीं, मन में भी खुशियाँ नहीं, पूजा देवी आती नहीं, पूजा देवी
आती नहीं।
ओ जगदम्बे 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 माँ,
जगदम्बे 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 माँ।
ओ जगदम्बे 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 माँ,
जगदम्बे 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 माँ।
माँ ओ माँ,
माँ ओ माँ,
ओ ओ जगदम्बे 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 माँ, जगदम्बे 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 माँ, जगदम्बे 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 माँ,
जगदम्बे 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 माँ।
ओ माँ ओ माँ, Raja Yudhishthir, he had nothing to give in the name of the Devi. He had not even a gold, he had not even pearls, he had not even a diamond to give to her. He says, Mata, और माला नहीं, ताली नहीं, I don't even have a thali to do your puja. I have nothing. Because of my own actions, how can I do your puja? And he begged that divine Devi. And in begging the divine Devi, my dear devotees, Devi appeared to him. Mala khantelu yuktam, parma shanka gadayuktam, trishula damarudharam, kharvanga charma vibhushitam, वरदाहस्तां सेतां प्रणमामाय सिद्धिनन्दनां ॐ श्रीवरदात्रं गुह्यतां तु युक्ता विष्णुपुरं ययो ॐ दुं दुर्गाय नमः। प्रेम से बोले शक्ति भवानी माता की। She appeared to him. Out Swapna in his dreams. And she told unto him, she says, Raja, seeing the divine Devi in all her splendid nitya, mala, glistening in the light. Her eyes were like lotus petals. She held the Trishul in hand, the Kharga in hand, the Shank, the Padma, all these divine emblems that she held in hand. Varabhaya Hastam, with her hands like in this, granting blessing unto him. Pranamamyam sevidhi nandanaha. And listening to his prayer, his solemn prayer, Putra, Pautra, Vivardhanam. Today I bless you, not even your children or your grandchildren will have to go through that suffering. That is the blessing. She says, but in order to reap your blessing, you have to go and fight your battle. David teaches you how to fight your battle. And sometimes either we win the battle, or sometimes you have to go back and fight the battle again until you overcome your battle, until you become victory and victorious in that battle. So my dear devotees, when the Devi blessed him, seeing the Devi, Raja Janmejaya had to now go and fight his battle. She didn't just say, I will give it to you just so free. No. Shri Ram also had to worship Devi. And when Devi appeared unto him, she says, you will win your battle, but you must fight it as well. You must fight your battle as well. So to win that battle, you have to fight it. To win your battle, Bhaya, you have to do what? You have to fight it. But everybody wants everything on a golden platter today. You want the Devi to give it to you on a golden plate and say, hey Bhaya, take it. And we don't want to work for it, we don't want to sacrifice for it, we don't want to do nothing for it. We want it the easy way. So pay a little money, call her now, he fix up your whole baby, and you just sit down, Ram Bhajo. Was he sacrificing that? What is his sacrifice? You didn't even go and pick the flowers because you tell me now you could pick some flowers too now. What is his sacrifice? This is how we have become. And I keep saying this time and time again. One of the greatest diseases affecting human society today, and we call that what? What's the greatest disease? Laziness. The greatest disease of human society today is laziness. Whether we accept it, Bhaya, I am not a person to sugarcoat anything. So you might find that I speak very, very bluntly. But this is what it is. If you have to get the direction of the Lord, get up and work for it. Get up and sacrifice for it. This is why we call it a yajna. Yajna in Hindi or Sanskrit means sacrifice. And when you could sacrifice for it, Bhaya, let me give you a little story. There's a young lady in the audience. I do puja for her some years now. Her name is Kisha. And many years, Kisha keep telling me, she said, Baba, I want you to come in the temple and read a yajna. I say, I'm not ready. She tell me again the next year, Baba, I want you to come and make arrangement. I say, I'm not ready. You know why? Because I keep thinking of the distance. I keep thinking of the distance. And this year when Bhaya Rafi told me, he said, Baba, we want you to come and read Ganesha. I said, I don't book up. Arrange for something else and I will come. And this is how I came. And I tell myself, I say, let me not keep putting it off, because this is my sacrifice to reach here. And the divine must be showing to me I have to reach here for a reason. So my dear devotees, when you sacrifice, sometimes you might not see what is the goal, what is the end product, what is the blessing that will come behind it. But I am sure without a doubt, you sacrifice in the right way, in the right manner, you will achieve your goals. Raja Janmejai, my dear devotees, Raja Yudhishthir performed indeed this beautiful prayashit to the Devi. He had now to go onto that battlefield and fight his battle. But before he entered into the battlefield, he glorified the Devi. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samsita Namastasya 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 Namo Namaha Jai Jai Janani Jai Jai Janani Bhavani O Ramaya Chalabharadani Jai Jai Janani Jai Jai Janani Bhavani O Ramaya Chalabharadani Achalabharadani Achalabharadani Chalabharadani Achalabharadani 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 Jai Jai Janani Jai Jai Janani Bhavani O Ramaya Chalabharadani O Jagamaga Jagamaga Jyoti Viraje Jyoti Viraje Jagamaga Jagamaga Jyoti Viraje Jyoti Viraje Ye Jagagar Pranidhani O Rama Ye Jagagar Pranidhani O Rama Achalabharadani Achalabharadani Jai Jai Janani Ho Jai Jai Janani Bhavani O Rama Achalabharadani महिमाया गमय अपार तुम्हारी अपार तुम्हारी Only when you understand the Mahima, the glories of the Divine Devi, then you will understand the power that she contains. Mahimaya Gamaya Para Tumari Apara Tumari Shesha Mahesh Mukhavarana Tihari Achalabharadani Achalabharadani Jai Jai Janani Jai Jai Janani Jai Jai Janani Bhavani O Ramaya Achalabharadani Dukha Harani Sukha Sampati Bharani Sampati Bharani. If she remove your dukkha, your trouble, she must replace it with something. And she had to replace it with that state of happiness, the state of bliss. So the day Devi removes your sankat, your troubles, she will replace it with blessing. Blessing in your home. Raja Yudhishthira was able to recover his home, that she blessed him. Putra Pautra Vivardhanam. Not your children or grandchildren will have to suffer again for a home. Dukha Harani Sukha Sampati Bharani Sampati Bharani Sharana Sakala Kalyani O Rama Sharana Sakala Kalyani O Rama Achalabharadani Achalabharadani Jai Jai Janani Jai Jai Janani Bhavani O Rama Achalabharadani Jai Jai Janani Bhavani O Rama Achalabharadani Mata ki. My dear devotees, और गोपनीयम से प्रयातनिनम महाबंधु प्रसूति कृतम संकटानाशनम चैवा त्रिमूलोकेषु विश्रुतमम् ओम विष्णवे नमः। बोले श्री नवदुर्गा माता की। Indeed, Devi Mata blessed Raja Yudhishthira for what he had done, for what he had lost. Indeed, she blessed him because his prayer was sincere. His prayer was sincere. His prayer was truthful. His prayer was filled, my dear devotees, with all the divine natures that he needed. And his prayer, just as you plant a tree, hoping one day it will bear a fruit. So too he planted that tree of devotion. He planted that tree, that seed, of devotion, planting that seed of faith, and planting the seed of belief, Vishwas. And when you plant these seeds of faith and belief, my dear devotees, and having that sincere prayer, without a doubt, your prayer will be answered. Sometimes you pray for something and it didn't answer the same week, same day, same month, same year. 5 years down the line, you get it. So my dear devotees, we even forget what we used to pray for. And Raja Yudhishthira is a perfect example to show us, do not give up in your prayer. You could give up in man, you could give up in woman, but don't give up in your prayer. Don't lose hope in your prayer, bhaiya. That is your connection that makes you who you are. That is your connection that makes you what you are. And this is why I use the 3 B's, Bhakta, Bhakti and Bhagwan. You are the Bhakta, use your Bhakti to reach, what's the last one? Bhagwan. And if you are the Bhakta, increase your Bhakti, don't decrease it. It's easy to decrease your Bhakti when trouble take you. The mind is not there, the senses is not there, everything playing, oh God, Baba, I get sick at this, at that, at tra la 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 la. And we're going on the road. And we never say, God, thank you for breath of life. Thank you for the breath of life. So my dear devotees, you are the Bhakta, increase your Bhakti. And when you can increase your Bhakti, I am sure our duty is to reach Bhagwan. Remember the 3 B's, eh? Bhakta, Bhakti and Bhagwan. And when you can do that, you will achieve your goal in life. Bole Sri Adi Shakti Navdurga Mata ki. So my dear devotees, while Panditji performs our Havan for tonight, we will have a bhajan, and then after which we will have our closing arti. Tonight I must say thank you to everyone for being here this night. I must also recognize my 2 godsons from St. Helena together with their father, that anywhere I read in upon this area, they always assist me and be with me. Rohan and Vishal. So some of you might know them.
பத்தனமா மலையனூர் தேவி நீ மயங்கி ஆடி வாடி இந்த மங்கள குடி தேடி நீ தேடி தேடி ஓடி வந்தால் தேசநலம் கோடி தந்தன நாடினம் தந்தன நாடினம் தந்தன நாடினம் தந்தானே தந்தன நாடினம் தந்தானே தந்தன நாடினம் தந்தன நாடினம் தந்தன நாடினம் தந்தானே தந்தன நாடினம் தந்தானே मंगल कुड़ी तेरी नी तेरी तेरी ओड़ी वना देश नरंगोड़ी।
My dear devotees, let us all stand as we join in Puranahuti. Om Puranamida Puranamidam Puranat Purmudachate Puranasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Rogan se Shanpansi Tushta Rushta tu Kaman Sakalan Abhishtan Tvamashitanam Navipannaranam Tvamashitanam Shetam Priyanti. Om Dum Durgaye Namaha Swaha. Apohishtamyo bhavasthanam rujirdhatanam mahiranaya chakshusyo. Namaschandikaye Om Namaschandikaye Om Namaschandikaye. Bole Sri Chandika Mata ki. O सुन मेरी देवी पर्वत पासिनी तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न
पाया। सुन मेरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया।
पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल
पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल
बोले तेरे बेट चढ़ाया
तेरे बेट चढ़ाया।
सुन मेरी देवी पर्वत पासिनी
तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया।
दुआ चोर तेरे अंग विराजे
दुआ चोल तेरे अंग विराजे
दुआ चोर तेरे अंग विराजे
दुआ चोल तेरे अंग विराजे।
केसर तिलक लगाया
केसर तिलक लगाया।
सुन मेरी देवी पर्वत पासिनी
तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया।
ब्रह्मा वीर पदे गिरद्वारे
ब्रह्मा वीर परे तेरे द्वारे
ब्रह्मा वीर पदे गिरद्वारे
ब्रह्मा वीर परे तेरे द्वारे।
शंकर ध्यान लगाया
शंकर ध्यान लगाया।
सुन मेरी देवी पर्वत पासिनी
तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया।
ऊंचे ऊंचे पर्वत बना देवालय ऊंचे ऊंचे पर्वत बना देवालय नीचे शहर बसाया नीचे शहर बसाया।
सुन मेरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया।
सतयुग त्रेता द्वापर मध्ये
सतयुग त्रेता द्वापर मध्ये
सतयुग त्रेता द्वापर मध्ये
सतयुग त्रेता द्वापर मध्ये
कलियुग राज सवाया।
कलियुग राज समाया।
सुन मेरी देवी पर्वत पासिनी
तेरा पार न पाया तेरा पार न पाया।
धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती
धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती
धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती
धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती।
ओ मोहन भोग लगाया
मोहन भोग लगाया।
सुन मेरी देवी पर्वत पासिनी तेरा पार न पाया
तेरा पार न पाया।
दानु भगत में तेरे गुण गावे
ज्ञान भगत में तेरे गुण गाए
ज्ञान भगत में तेरे गुण गावे
ज्ञान भगत में तेरे गुण गाए।
मन वाच फल पाया
मनवा
हाथ जोड़ प्रार्थना करो. Tonight indeed as we give thanks in the name of the Divine Devi, we pray humbly this night. We ask Devi Mata to shower grace upon you, your home, your family, your children, your grandchildren, all, your villages, your community. Om Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhushcha Sakha Tvameva Tvameva Vidya Draviram Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. Om Mantrahinam Kriyahinam Bhaktihinam Janardanam Yara Pujitam Maya Deva Paripurnam Tadastami. Om Asato Ma Satamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityurma Mritam Gamaya. Om Pashupatim Dhupatim Dharanipatim Bhujagalokapati Chasatipatim Pranata Bhakti Janarti Haram Varam Bhajatare Manuja Girijapatim Bhajatare Manuja Girijapatim Bhajatare Manuja Girijapatim. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. बोले श्री गजानंद स्वामी की, प्रेम से बोले शंकर महादेव की, आदि शक्ति दुर्गा भवानी माता की, प्रेम से बोले सत्य सनातन धर्म की, for your dharma bhaya, प्रेम से बोले सत्य सनातन धर्म की. जय जय सीताराम. शुभमस्तु. आसन पर बैठे. You can kindly be seated. Please do receive your arti or prasadam. Meals have been prepared for all. May you reach to your home safely. Jai Jai Sitaram. Please join us again tomorrow night. We have 2 nights again. Tomorrow and Sunday, our yajna will come to a termination. So indeed I invite again each and everyone as we join together in praise of the Divine. ओ जय बोलो जगदम्बा भवानी, साथिया में अमंगना भई है, साथिया मुस्कानी भवानी, साथिया मुस्कानी भवानी. जय बोलो जगदम्बा भवानी, ओ जय बोलो जगदम्बा, ओ जय बोलो जगदम्बा भवानी, जय बोलो
जगदम्बा भवानी.
पिया है देखे मैं अमंगना भई है, पिया है देखे मैं ओ पिया है देखे मैं अमंगना भई है, ओ सिंदूर देखे मुस्कानी भवानी, सिंदूर देखे मुस्कानी भवानी. जय बोलो जगदम्बा भवानी, ओ जय बोलो जगदम्बा भवानी. पुरिया देखे मैं अमंगना भई है, पुरिया देखे मैं अमंगना भई है. जया देखे मुस्कानी भवानी, जया देखे मुस्कानी भवानी. जय बोलो जगदम्बा भवानी, ओ मेरिया देखे मैं अमंगना भई है, ओ मैया देखे मैं अमंगना भई है. जगया देखे मुस्कानी भवानी, जगया देखे मुस्कानी भवानी. जय बोलो जगदम्बा भवानी, तोरिया देखे मैं अमंगना भई है, तोरिया देखे मैं अमंगना भई है. परवा देखे